So today we're doing a lot of things. This is part 2 of the golf cart restoration vlog. Yesterday we talked to Steven about like all the things we need to do to get the golf cart running, so flashback to that. Steven! Steven! What's up, Steven?
What's up, bro?
Hey guys.
Hey. What's up, dude?
How you doing?
Keegan? How you doing?
Good. How's the truck?
She's doing alright. When I was cruising Christmas Tree Lane with the Fair Maiden, the car almost overheated. But yeah, so you guys want to pull around your jalopy? We can work on it here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, nice motor.
You like our little pitchfork in the front?
Oh yeah, it looks like something out of Mad Max. Except a little half-budget.
Steven, can you tell the camera what we're gonna need to be doing?
Well, we need to find like a complete drivetrain, or at least a motor and some wiring. And then we need to figure out how to run the motor to the rear wheels. I think if we stick with like a 500cc motor, just something a little smaller, we'll be fine using the stock rear end. We won't blow it up.
Yep.
It would be nice to install like 4-wheel disc brakes or something a little better, but you know.
We don't need brakes.
Who needs brakes? And also on that same day, we towed the golf cart behind our golf cart that works.
You can't slow down, you can't slow down, you can't slow down, you can't slow down.
Yeah.
This is terrible. Yeah, Hillary! Go! Hillary! Alright, we're going up the hill, boy. We're going up this hill right now with Hillary. Yes, we are, yes, we are, yes, we are. No, we're not, Deacon, yes, we are. Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! Oh, downhill! Oh, shoot!
Yeah, it was a really fun day, but today's gonna be even more funner because we have more things planned, right, Colson?
Yeah. Wait, it's locked.
It's not locked. You have to pull hard. Can you knock it?
All right, pull it out, boys. The flag.
You get it?
There she is. So we just took off the seat's over there, and yeah, so now we're gonna be taking out all this wire to get it ready for the motor. Okay, so we're gonna call it a night. It's getting pretty dark, and we're just gonna take the golf cart back to the shop over there.
So it's the day after we did all the work on the golf cart. Steven did a bunch of crap, and what are we doing today?
I think we're just gonna take out more of the wires and then just do more stuff.
So right now we're giving Hillary a tattoo. It says, "Life is good." Life is good, folks. Whatever. Bam. So in order for Steven to get the dirt bike engine in here, we have to take the motor that's already in here out. So we have to take the whole shell right here off. And so yeah, we're gonna be working on it. We have to get under there, unscrew a bunch of stuff, and it should take a while. Sheesh.
Okay, so we've just been working on the golf cart for about 1 hour. We've been trying to take off the top. We took out a bunch more wire stuff in there. We were trying to replace that wheel, but it didn't work. So now we're just gonna drag Colson on the back of that golf cart with that over there. So we'll see how it goes.
So it's time to take Colson on the jump. You ready?
Yeah.
Wait, let's go.
You ready?
Oh, shoot. Colson!
I don't want to let this go.
You wuss!
Oh!
Colson's actually doing it this time.